Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Tapus Kumar Basu. Once again, I've come to my own channel. The name of my channel is the Financial Product of Technical Analysis. Today once again, I'd like to discuss with you about the Nifty. The market has come down very heavily. So you guys are very much worried about the market, what can happen in the market. So as far as my knowledge is concerned, whatever I know it technically, just I would like to explain you what would be the resistance and support level for this week. Now let me straight away go to the daily candlestick chart of Nifty. You see, this is a daily candlestick chart of Nifty. In my last video, I just explained you how I plotted that Elliott waves, and I explained you how generally Elliott waves works in the market. There is a 5:3 ratio. The 5:3 ratio has ended particular here. Here is, these are ABC. I have marked it. These are all corrective waves. Three corrective waves. This corrective waves has finished is over here. Now here the market should rally towards upside. It already rallied towards upside, but here that market yesterday it came down very heavily. Why it came down very heavily? Because there are so many global factors out there due to which there was a huge bit of selling pressure. That's why market came down heavily, and that's why this big bearish candle has formed over here. This is a big bearish candle, right? Let me explain technically what would be the stand of the market within this week, right? So first of all, I'm telling you, as far as Elliott waves are concerned, this is the very very vital zone. 17,000 is a very very vital zone. This area is a very very vital zone is there. This is a very vital zone. Here it's just this is the end of this Elliott waves. Now again, Elliott waves should move towards upside or downside. Okay, so it depends on the lot of factors over there, but it's rallied towards upside. It's just as if it was moving like a 5:3 ratio, but again it came down. Now why it came down, I just explained to you that due to a lot of global factors. Now technically the main support as far as Elliott waves is concerned, that support was 17,000. Also in the last video I told you, if it breaches down, the next support would be very crucial support would be this is 16,800. This is a crucial support, right? So you see, this is 16,800 with the crucial support, and if this crucial support is broken down, then what would be the next support? The next support would be that is also very crucial support, that is 16,400, right? So now let me explain as far as Bollinger Band is concerned. Already I have plotted over here Bollinger Bands. In the last video I have explained you how does the Bollinger Band works in the market. This is the last band of the Bollinger Band, right? As far as the last band of the Bollinger Band, so we can say this is the support area. But already this Nifty is trading above this band, right? So if the Nifty can maintain within this range, then if it doesn't breach, then it may go towards upside as far as the Bollinger Band is concerned. So as far as the Bollinger Band is concerned, the support is 16,800. Now here again I have plotted over here a Fibonacci retracement. You see that this is called Fibonacci retracement. I have plotted the Fibonacci retracement zone. Fibonacci retracement, their ratio is there. It started from 0%, then 23.6%, then 38.2%, then 50%, then 61.8%, right? So now this from 38.2%, we can say this is the golden ratio. If the Nifty reaches over here, then generally it should go towards upside. There is here is, you see, the Nifty when it is 16,130, it generally crossed the 38.2%, and again it crossed the 50%, right? So this is the area, golden area. So it generally it should 90% it should go up. So it really went up, you have seen. Sometimes it's come down also. So now here is the 50. Now it is Nifty is trading just near the 61.8%. You see, this is the 61.8%. Now let me close this chart. This is 68.8%. So as far as the Fibonacci retracement zone is concerned, this is also saying the Nifty support is 1 minute. Nifty support is how much is 50? Nifty support is this is a 50%. This is trading 6.9%. So Nifty support is, yes, Nifty support is this. Nifty support is this area, right? So 16,850, 16,000 900, 950. So as far as the Fibonacci retracement zone is concerned, the support level is 16,900. If it can retrace towards upside or can downside. If it, as far as Fibonacci retracement zone is concerned, if it retreats downside, then the next support would be the 16,400, which is 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement zone. From there, it can market goes upside or downside. This is a retracement area. So as far as Fibonacci retracement is concerned, Nifty support is around 6,900, and as far as Elliott waves are concerned, Nifty support is 16,800. That's a very much nearer, very near edge. And as far as Bollinger Band is concerned, Nifty support is 16,800. So this is the very, very crucial support area, right? Either Nifty can go upside or can downside. It depends. But if there is a huge selling pressure, naturally Nifty may come down. And after that, if it breaches particular this support level, then it may come down to the 16,400. This is as far as the technical part is concerned. Now let me say one thing. I have already plotted over a stochastic oscillator. Most of the indicators are showing the bearish indication. This is the stochastic oscillator. There are two lines I have told you in the stochastic. One is the dotted line, one is the stochastic line. When the stochastic lines intersect the dotted line from the above, which signifies the selling signal, which is called a bearish condition. So this is the area, particular bearish condition. That's why Nifty has also come down. As far as the technical, as far as stochastic is concerned, Nifty is down, right? So it has already indicated the Nifty may go down, and it has gone down also. So I have mentioned over here bearish signal as stochastic line has intersected the dotted line. So there is a bearish signal has already generated to the through these stochastics, and RSI is also very negative. So indicator also saying the negative. As far as Fibonacci retracement zone is also saying the support level is 16,800. Bollinger Band is also saying suppose is 16,800. This is a very, very crucial zone. If the Nifty doesn't breach this zone, the Nifty may go towards the upside, and if it goes to the upside, then first resistance would be 17,200 and the next resistance would be 17,600 within this week. I'm telling you about. Okay, this is as far as the technical part is concerned. Now, what is the global reason? There are two, three factors in the global. There is 2-3 news are rolling around in the global. First of all, that in USA, there is a the inflation rate of US very, very high. Within a span of 30 years, the first time US has crossed the inflation of 6%. I mean 6.1% around, right? So now the investor is very much worried about this, that at any point of time, Fed may come up with a very very tightened monetary provision. They can implement very tightened monetary provision, such as they might go for a tapering of bond buying program, or they can increase the interest rates just to control the inflation. These are particular factors generally rising in the investor's mind. That's why they are very much cautious while making so much of trading, while taking so much of position, rather I would say. So that's why there was huge bit of selling pressure, right? This is as far as the global factor is concerned. This is as far as the Nifty is concerned. Okay, so this is particularly is my own view, right? And I am once again telling you, this channel is purely for educational purpose. This channel doesn't suggest for any kinds of stock tips or any kinds of recommendation for buying and selling. If anybody interested to do any kinds of trading, can do the trading, but before they take any decision, they need to talk to their own respective investment advisor. After that, they should take your own decision. And also those who are interested to work with me can also work with me. For that, you have to open an account with ICICI Securities, because I am the referral partner of ICICI Securities. In my description box, I have given the link of the ICICI Securities for account opening. What you have to do it's a very user-friendly link. Just you have to click the link. It will take hardly 10 or 15 minutes to get the account activated. In the last phase, a page will appear with a sign up thumbs up. What you have to do just you have to copy that page, right? You have to take a screenshot of this page and you have to send this screenshot to my own WhatsApp number along with a copy of your PAN card, so that I can track your account, right? And also I am having on my Telegram channel. I have also given the link of my Telegram channel in the description box. Those who are interested to join, they can also join my Telegram channel. And another thing, just I'd like to request everyone, please do watch my channel and also subscribe this channel and also share this channel to your near and dear ones. The more I responses get from all of you, definitely this will encourage me a lot in bringing lot more videos in near future. By saying this, I'm going to sign off today's program. Thank you very much and have a great day.